Hello, today we are going to create the multiple child process using the fork and print the different messages in the parent and child process and terminate the parent after 5 seconds and print the PID from the child. So that is our thing. So for that first we have to switch on the virtual machine using your Momentix IDE. So first start your virtual machine. So we have started the virtual machine, namely VM1, and then in the file, go to the new QNX project and use QNX executables and then give any project name. So I am going to give as child parent as my project name and then select C language and then x86 underscore 64. So once you have done, give finish. So it will create the new project. So here I am going to give my code. So here we start by deciding to create 3 child processes. So hence we have given n is equal to 3. So once we have done that, then we are using the for loop. Inside that, every time we are using the fork. So fork is called a new child process is created. So once child process is created, each child prints its own PID as well as the PID of the parent, showing that the parent is still alive at that moment. Then each child sleeps for 6 seconds. So meanwhile, after finishing the loop and creating all the children, the parent will print the message. That is, it is sleeping only for 5 seconds and then exiting. So because the parent finishes before the children wakes up, the children temporarily lost their parent. So when the children wakes up after the 6 seconds, they print their new parent ID. So that is the concept what we are going to execute and see. So once we have given the code for that, so first let us right click the child parent and then give clean project and then give build project. So once you have done that, go to the binary, then copy this file and then paste it in the image file. So for that you go to this folder. So here only we have images. So there you paste. So once you have done that, then this child parent has been copied over there. So before going to there, so just give, that is click on the training image build. So there we have to give the file name. So our file name is what? Child parent. So just give that in the 38th line. Similarly here in the 25th line, give as child parent. So once you have done that, give Control S. So once you have done, you just go to the child parent, then run as C or C++ QNX application. So now when we see the output, so child 1, child 2, child 3 has been created and then everything, the parent process has been exiting now and then child 1, child 2, child 3 still it is running even after the parent has been exited. Okay. So this is the program. Thank you.